Hello, good morning and welcome. It's the 31st of August and it's just after 8 o'clock, so we've had the London Open. Um, we'll start off this morning with the New Zealand dollar, US dollar. It's actually had a bit of bad news on sentiment for business, I believe, on the New Zealand dollar. Business confidence, sorry. And the Australian dollar has a bit of good news, but it hasn't actually made a lot of difference. So let's just have a quick look. New Zealand dollar, nice red candle on it. It's come past this support here, which is really good as far as I'm concerned. I have got quite a fair trade on the New Zealand dollar Japanese yen, which has taken a nice tumble. The commercials are short, got a ratio of 4.46 to 1. We're looking for this really to come back down to recent lows. So it's really good that it's broke through this level. Totally pleased with that. We're well below the 50 on the RSI, and hopefully that will continue now. There isn't actually, till we get down about here, there isn't a lot of support for it. So there we go. USD CAD, nice little bit of strength in the dollar maybe, but we've had a bit of weakness in the Canadian dollar because of the oil price. The oil has fallen a little bit. I really want this to come up and test this historic turning point again. And if it does this time, I will get stops behind my trades, not get caught with my pants down. Right, USD JPY. I got out here at the blue line. It has popped up nicely. Seems to be maybe running at a little bit of strength at the moment. Yeah, that's about 200 pips. Expect it to go a little bit higher, maybe up to this outer Bollinger Band here. We've just popped above the 50, and we've got a little bit of resistance here on the RSI. So hopefully that'll just pop up and touch the blue line here, and I can get my trade back in. USD Mexican peso, two nasty red candles here, just below the 50 on the RSI. Hopefully that'll turn around. If not tomorrow, maybe next week. So we should see. We've got a commercial long ratio of 2.11 to 1. So we should see that come up next week. Euro GBP, really liked this one yesterday. On the members center, I put a lot of trades in here yesterday short, so those are done really nicely. We fell through the trend line, broke the RSI, broke the trend line even, and we're just below the 69.1 on the RSI chart. We've got a short divergence of 3.28 to 1, and as I say, I think this historic turning point here, this is a monthly turning point, should hold. I see there's a lot of downside here on this pair, a lot of downside. As I say, I've got a lot of trades in that. Pound New Zealand dollar. We've got a divergence of 6.07 to 1 long for the pair. As I said, a bit of weakness in the New Zealand dollar this morning. I've got my one trade is nicely into profit with a stop behind it. And we're looking to go to recent highs with this pair. I've got two trades here about at entry, and we've got support just below it. So that is quite a nice position there. We're looking for these to go long. The RSI is pointing up, and we're just below the 69.1. Nice to see it go over that. So anyway, there you go. I've been in this trade quite some time, so it'll be nice to see a bit of a result from it. Okay. AUD Japanese yen. I've got a trade at about entry. I've got one trade up here that is actually in profit. We bounced up yesterday. I'm expecting this to short back down. Uh, we got a 7.29 to 1 short with the commercials. Sadly, we are just above the 50 on the RSI, but I would like to see that turn down. I see it as a fairly decent sell from where it is. So there you go, and that's grand. Okay, well, thank you very much for watching. Um, so see you probably next tomorrow. So thank you. Cheers.